action, Bronson continues to expand his footprint with New Balance, this time stepping forward as the face of an entirely new silhouette. The New Balance 1890 is set to debut through 2 collaborative colorways before a wider release later on. Officially named Cyborg Tears and Hornet Tusk, the styles were recently revealed through a polished studio video following early social media teasers. The New Balance 1890 draws inspiration from the original New Balance 2002 released in 2010, known for its premium made-in-USA construction and forward-thinking design. A segmented midsole echoes that heritage, while the upper introduces teardrop-shaped details around the forefoot and heel, giving the shoe a distinct early 2010s feel. Cyborg Tears features blue mesh with silver accented overlays, while Hornet Tusk leans into beige leather and open mesh textures. Both pairs include rope laces and colorful finishing touches. A release date has not been announced, but past collaborations suggest availability may follow soon.